Večer. Last time I felt happy?
Yes.
Right now.
Right now?
Yes.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Секој ден дете да ти кажам.
Večer.
Последен пат пред 5 минути.
I think the last time I felt happy was about 30 seconds ago when I realized, wow, I'm in Skopje, Macedonia, and I'm talking to people that I love a lot, speaking a language that I did not know. Zavčera.
Right now?
Right now?
Yes, because I'm with my friends and I'm having fun here in Skopje.
That's a great answer. Thank you so much.
Последен пат сега во
Сега? Super, drago mi je.
Oh, the last time I felt happy was about a week ago.
Кога Последен пат пред 30 минути.
Oh, well, always.
You're always happy?
Yeah, like 10 minutes ago, 1 minute ago. Now.
That's great.
Yeah.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.